Thanks everyone to join today's meeting. I'm today's meeting host. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I think there's no new faces here, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Let's move on. The first part is about the highlights in the past 2 weeks. The first one is about the main repo. You know, in the past 3 weeks, not 2 weeks, there are so many pull requests to our main branch. I don't list them all here, just list some important points here for your reference. So we can go through them one by one. The first one is one new proposal is that adding LZO compression support to GPF dist feature. I think this progress has been in the progress, and if you are available, welcome to have your comments on this request. Okay.
Okay, I think it's the feature for the backward compatibility with some older versions of Griplam. It's important to add support of old installations. They could migrate to Cloudberry
Cool.
after the support with this feature.
Okay. So interesting. The next one is one important feature on DTLink FDW. I'm not sure the latest progress for this feature. Maybe this progress needs more feedback or has been ready to be merged. I'm not sure. Yeah, just leave your comments to there. Yeah.
Well, I don't know. Maybe Andrew is a more suitable person to answer the question.
Okay.
As for me, the pull request is okay. I think we can merge it.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so probably we should place here our likes and merge it. So.
So if this request has been okay to be merged, so let's approve it. And maybe for this feature we need more implementations or more improvements. But we can add the improvements in the following pull requests, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Let's push forward with this pull request. Okay. The next is one question raised by Jimbo in the dev mailing list. I just saw the node has helped answer on this meeting on this question. Yeah, you know, for the branch management policy, I think we don't have so many energy to manage different release branch at the same time, like the Greenplum database team did in the past 3 years. I just think the release branch is the mirror of the main branch, right? We need to cherry pick the necessary commits from main to our release branch. Yeah, I think that's all. Yeah. So
I just placed it here just to highlight the issue. Well, the issue is the same as in the Postgres. In the Postgres, if you had a chance to find out a bug, you place a fix to the main repo, and you, as a committer, is responsible to adopt it to the other release, because it's not easy. It's not easy. It's a common solution that you write different patches for different releases. So how it works in Postgres. Well, I don't know. Is it good for Apache Cloudberry? Well, because Postgres has a much broader community than Apache Cloudberry. Well, but anyway, the Postgres approach here is that the committer is responsible to merge it to all the branches. So it's just the question for discuss. I just placed it here to highlight. So feel free to join our discussion and propose something good.
Yeah. Okay, thanks, Linode, for your comment. I will respond as soon as possible after this meeting okay, to share my thoughts on this question. Okay. Yeah, I think for now, it's hard for us to for our contributors to submit different pull requests to different release branch. Okay. Hope our community can grow faster and stronger. Maybe then we have a different commit strategy. Whatever. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. The next point is about the GP management behavior test. Okay, I think it has a long story, right? I ever tried to make a CI workflow on the behavior test, but for now I have no more energy on it. I just saw our conversation on this matter. If someone is available, welcome to take over it. Actually, we need this test workflow, right? Yeah. You know.
I just placed it here just again to show that it's a good pull request, and it should merge it someday, because here we have a behave test, but we don't launch them, and it's a problem because usually there are a lot of changes in the Python environment, and we should test it. Well, the issue with that commit is that there are a lot of failed tests here, but maybe the failed test is not a problem for CI. It's a problem for our coder. So it's just bugs in our coder. We haven't noticed it because we didn't have a test. So, well, maybe it's a problem. Well, but anyway, if anyone have an energy to get this pull request to the end, merge it, well, feel free. It's a good work. Good for the whole community.
Yeah, I think we can leverage the AI tools to help us push forward with this.
Well, by the way, also I've searched through our other guys from GreenGage and Warehouse PG, they still use Concourse, I think. So, well, they their behavior test is a part of Concourse. We don't use Concourse, and I fully agree with it because, well, I don't like it. So GitHub I much more understandable for me. So,
Okay, cool. Let's move on. The next point is about the roadmap discussion. Yeah, I think we should start it, but can give me 1 more week? I need to list the discussion points as we discussed during the AppGCon conference. Okay, I will share them into the mini list. You know, we talk a lot, so many points. Yeah, it takes time to list the key points.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, let's move on. The next part is about the ecosystem and the extension. The first one is about Cloudberry Pix. I believe no more new updates on this, but I would like to have Nikolai to share his thoughts on Cloudberry.
Yeah, there was no active development these weeks. However, we planned, we thought what we want to see in 2.2, 3.0. For 2.2, I think major thing we should finish is Rocky Linux 10 support. Not sure that we will be able to run all tests in CI. Big part of them will be fine. And for 3.0, discussion still in progress. So if you go, you're welcome. Yes, there is no in this list, but LG yesterday released 3.0.9 release with bug fix in attempt-only optimized incremental backups. If you're using LG, I encourage you to upgrade version to the latest. Okay.
Okay, thanks, Yuna, for your updates. Yeah, I think for the 2.2 release, we are still waiting for the cherry picker work for the main branch. Yeah, right. If the cherry picker work is done, then we can go forward with it. Yeah. Okay. Let me share some updates on the following ecosystem projects. We just had an update to the Cloudberry backup. Yeah, you can visit the link for more details. I think there are no more updates on Cloudberry GoLibs, but we have great progress on Cloudberry Command Center donation to Apache Software Foundation, but we need to talk with our mentors on the following steps, right? Yeah. I can help coordinate with our mentor on this.
Yeah. We should talk with William or Roman. I don't know, one of available.
Okay, cool.
Time.
Yeah.
We need an assistance. Well.
Yeah. Hope we can make it as soon as possible. Okay, let's move on. For the Cloudberry site, just some minor updates. There is one new blog on the incubation report about during it's about it's on the details and the progress from May to July. Yeah, so guys, welcome to take a look. And also we added one new feature to the document, so you can see the button to the document. You can open the document in Cloud Code or in ChatGPT directly, and then ask something you want to know more. Yeah, I think it's much more convenient for users or for developers. Okay, welcome to try this new feature in our website. Okay, the last one is about the sizing calculator. I showed it to you guys. I have put this feature to our site, so welcome to try it too. If any comments and feedback, welcome to let me know. We can maybe we have different views or experience on how to configure the hard disk or other machine, so we can have more feedback and improvements on this. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay. Next one is about the marketing and events. I believe we had a great time during the Community World Code Asia 2026. Yeah, we talked so many topics and took the photos. So welcome to share the status in your social media handles. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
We have a lot of topics, and also we had Cloudberry booth on the conference. I've seen people was talking to our guys, and they are interested in a project.
Good. Okay. I think next one is about the share and release. I believe our new release is still in the progress. Hope we can make it as soon as possible. Yeah.
Yeah. We're just waiting for the bug fixes in Realtor Stable. There are two commits. One from cherry picking important commits from main to Realtor Stable, and the second is from Kirill. He is adopting CVEs fixes to the Realtor Stable. Well, it's a good work, because some fixes they only exist in the latest Postgres release. Well, but we adopted it to the Realtor Stable, which is based on Postgres 14. So well, it's great. So it's really important for users, for enterprise users. They usually want to be secured. So well, it's a good it's good advice for them to install the latest release, because here we fixed a lot of security issues also.
Yeah. So I think we can make our release 2 much more stable and much more advanced. Yeah, people, you know, I think the enterprise users, they would prefer the stability and the security than the new features, right? So, so don't worry. So let's take more time to our work. Yeah. Cool. Okay, the last one is about the incorporation report. I believe I have shared in the last session. We can skip it. Okay, cool. I think that's all for our today's topic. I'm not sure if any other topics would you like to discuss for our today's meeting.
Well, as I remember, there was talks about Kubernetes operators. Do you have any updates? What the state is right now? Well, because I just heard about it and then missed what is going on here. So maybe you have new information about Kubernetes operators.
Actually, I have. I don't have the new updates for the Kubernetes operators. I think they are maintained by our community members. I think there are no updates since then. Yeah.
Well, maybe we could write the authors and just ask them if they need some help of community. Well, they could join us and bring us their functionality to the community. It will be great.
Yes, exactly. Let's ping them again. Okay, cool. Okay, maybe for the Kubernetes operators, maybe we need one official one. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Official one, official two, yeah. Anyway.
Okay, cool. So let's talk. Okay, let's talk about it in the future.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a good choice for community users. Then we can call for much more volunteers to join and contribute.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, guys. If I think for the next meeting, I'm not sure. It will be scheduled on the September 4th. I'm not sure if it's okay to you guys.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay,
In Russia,
cool.
we will ordinary work. Well, it's good.
Okay, cool. So if there's no more points, I think it's time to say goodbye to you guys. See you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Good day for everyone.
Thank you. Bye.